Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to post on CoinMarketCap, and this is the latest tutorial that you can follow the steps from this video. First, you just need to go to CoinMarketCap, and then from here at the top right corner you will find the profile icon of yours. Then tap on it and you will find this type of section where you can just tap on your profile icon from here, and from here you'll find this button or the post section where you can just post anything that you want. Now you can just go to the community also, and you can also find this post button in the blue color here, and also in your profile section you'll find this button. This button will help you to post anything that you want. You can just post anything you feel, your opinion, or whatever you want to say about the crypto or about the community or about the market. So you can type all the things from here, like I'm going to post this. So that's like I'm going to post this one. So I have just typed a post right now, a short post from here. Now I can just add image by tap on this image icon. By tapping on it, I can find all the images that I have on this device. I can add gifs, and I can add some hashtags like this one, hashtag BTC, just like this. I can also add some another hashtag, multiple hashtag like this one, strategy reverse. So that's how, and if I tap on this, I can just create polls. So that's how I can just tap on post, and also I can select the bullish or bearish. So if you're bullish, then you can tap on bullish, or if you're bearish, then you can tap on bearish. So I'm going to tap on it, one of them. So I'm neither of them, so I'm going to just select the one of them, then click on post, and it will easily post your opinion, your whatever you want to say that on your profile, and it will be visible to whole community on CoinMarketCap. Hope you got this. That's how you can just post anything on CoinMarketCap. Thanks for watching. Till next time.